We are taking your plant and garden questions for Lisa Briggs at the Bruce Company. 608-273-270 numbers.
It's on the screen. Three lines open, so call now. Hi, Lisa.
Hi, guys. Hey, it looks like March came in like a lamb.
It certainly did, and hopefully it'll stay that way.
From your lips to whoever. Yes.
To nobody. We got calls, so let's get right to the phones. We'll start with Kay in Madison. Hi, Kay. What's your question?
Hi, thanks. I've been growing black and red raspberries for a long time. My black raspberries did great last year, as they always do. My red raspberries, I had practically nothing, and I can't figure out why that would happen.
So these are the same plants that you've had, and you haven't changed the way you prune them or anything like that?
Nope.
It was pretty dry last summer, and the red raspberries, depending on the type that you have, don't always fruit at the same time that the black raspberries do. So it might just be that the dryness, the fruit just didn't have a chance to develop.
Okay,
also,
maybe.
raspberries can be they can be heavy feeders. So you might want to put in some, just some broadcast fertilizer and maybe
I did some 10-10-10.
improve the fertility. Yeah, maybe get something that's formulated for fruit and veg. Might be a little bit more appropriate.
Okay. All right, good luck.
All right, good luck to you. Let's go to Sue in Beloit. Hi, Sue. What's your question?
Hi, I was wondering, are there any vegetables you can start inside or soon?
Now?
Like right now?
Good
Yes.
question. That's what I want to know, too.
Yes, there are some veg you can start inside now. Anything that's in the brassica family. So we're talking about the cabbages, broccolis, Brussels sprouts, if you like that kind of thing. Also, you could start bulbing onions. And now is a good time to start hot peppers. You don't want to start the sweet ones yet, but the hot peppers need a longer maturation time to get all that heat into the fruit, so you can go ahead and start those.
But not tomatoes yet.
Not till mid-April.
All right. Let's go to Linda.
Hold your horses.
Let's go to Linda in Madison. Hi, Linda.
Hi.
What's your question?
My question is, I've had this spider plant I raised as a tiny baby, and all of a sudden, for years it's old, and all of a sudden it dying on me.
Oh.
Well, I would certainly check make sure it's not pot bound. So, and now is a perfect time to repot. So you'll want to go just a couple inches wider than the pot that it's in now. So if it's, say, in a 6-inch pot, you can do an 8-inch pot. Get some fresh soil in there when you pull it out of the pot. Maybe loosen that old soil and then replace with some high quality, good draining potting soil, and that should help.
Sometimes plants just wear out, though, right?
Sometimes they do, but we have heard on the air before people have 100-year-old Christmas cactuses and 75-year-old Scheffeleras.
Well,
So I think spiders can live a long time.
All right. Good luck.
All right, good luck to you. Let's go to Elaine in Baraboo. Hi, Elaine. What's your question?
Hi, I'm calling to see if I should cut back my strawberry hydrangea now. It's gotten quite big. Or should I wait? Will I cut the blooms off if I do it now? Should I wait until this fall, cut it back?
Vanilla strawberry and strawberry sundae are two panicled hydrangea, and they bloom on new wood. So you can go ahead and cut them back now. You'll probably have the old flowers from last year, and then you just look for pairs of buds that sort of alternate back and forth down the stem. So just cut right above one of those pairs of buds. You can also wait until the buds start to swell. If you want to shape it, you can do that at the same time.
Okay.
But you will still get flowers this year.
They sound delicious, don't they?
David from Madison, quickly. We have time for one more.
Okay.
David, you there?
Yes, I am.
Go ahead.
So I have a young sapling magnolia that I planted about 3 years ago, and I just want to know when is the best time to fertilize it.
You can do some fertilizer in the spring. You can use the spikes that are formulated for flowering trees and shrubs, or you can use a broadcast fertilizer that you would put around the root zone, so the drip edge. That's where the feeder roots are.
All right. We are out of time. Thank you all for calling. I want to work where you work, Lisa.
Oh, I know. That's
plans?
a pretty nice looking office.
Thank you all for calling in. We'll do this again in a couple of weeks.